No, on the stairs of mm, temple.
Yes, but what is the word used for temple here in the story?
Uh,
There is a specific word used for the temple in the story.
sir, I don't know.
You cannot see my screen, dear? Can you?
Yes. Uh, Cherry.
Shrine. On the steps of shrine.
Hmm.
Okay, next question to Muhammad Abbas Virani.
Yes, sir.
When he sleeps on the stairs, who comes in the dream of young man?
God.
Goddess.
Goddess.
And what is the name of that goddess? Write 10 times. Goddess Canon. Write 10 times. Thank you. Next question to
Sir, no
I
idea.
told you, write Canon, Goddess Canon 10 times. This is the answer. Next question to uh, Virani Zaki Hassan.
Yes, sir.
When Goddess Canon came in the dream of the poor young man, what did she say?
Orange.
What did she say to the young man? Jumani Raza, Jumani Raza, Mackenzie Jumani Raza, आखिरी बार बुला रहा हूँ नहीं तो आपके पेरेंट्स को फोन जाएगा जुमानी रजा ओके सर वहीं से अभी जुमानी रजा के पेरेंट्स को फोन कीजिए कि वो जवाब नहीं दे रहे तो उनको ग्रुप में नहीं डाल जाएगा कल से ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू चारण्या
Yes, sir.
um, what did the goddess say to the young man in the dream
What, sir?
can you not hear my voice
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
when goddess canon came
Mm,
in the dream what did she say
I didn't know, sir.
why you were not there in the lecture or you were sleeping in the lecture this
No,
can
sir.
be the reason
My network problem is there
Shadi
in the.
Amir
Yes, sir.
same question
Yes.
goddess canon came in the dream what did she speak to the man
Sir,
Answer.
sir, मैं नहीं था लेक्चर में.
Z Deriya. Mohammad Raza Gabrani.
Yes, sir.
Same question.
Mm, uh, sir,
Okay, Hussein Asar.
yes, sir.
Help your friends. They don't know the answer for this. Please answer.
Sir, can you repeat the question, please?
What did Goddess Canon say to the young man in the dream?
When you wake up in the morning, you will fall as well. Fall, you will grab something that will be of great value. Cherish is what you have in your heart and hand and go west.
मैंने आपको रीड करने के लिए नहीं बोला है. You had to answer in your own words. Anyways, now when he wakes up in the morning, what happens?
He fall.
And when he fall, what did he get? On the ground?
sir, I can
Straw.
read.
Straw and flour, right? So
Yes.
Goddess Canon. Okay, mute the mic, everyone. Now let me continue, please. Now, children, those who are here, please listen to me very carefully. When the young man saw this dry grass and a flower, he thought that these are useless, but then he thought that Goddess, God has told to keep this. So he kept the flower and the straw with him, and then he what he did is he tied the flower and the straw. A pretty flower was lying nearby. The young man took the flower and tied it to one end of the straw. So he joined the flower and the dry grass and the straw. Oh, well, Canon knows best. So the young man says that, well, Canon, the goddess, knows the best. So I will keep this flower and dry grass and I will start walking towards west. Now, when he was walking towards west with the flower and the dry grass in his hand, one small child met him. He was with his mother. Small child wanted the flower, and the young man gave the flower to him. The young man made this small child very happy by giving the flower. So her mother was also very happy. अभी कोई आपको खुश करेगा तो आपके मम्मी भी खुश ही होंगे ना. Similarly, the young man made this child happy. So his mother was also happy. Now, as she was happy, she gave 3 oranges to the poor young man. How many oranges?
3.
So, in the return of flower, he got 3 oranges. Then what happened when he had the oranges in his hand? He again started walking and walking and walking towards the west direction. But this time, what happened? He saw one lady. Lady was not feeling well. Lady was sitting on the road. She was not feeling well. So the young man asked to this old man, what happened to this lady? So this old man says that she suddenly is not feeling well. She is feeling like vomiting. Please give me water. But the young man was not having the water bottle or anything. So he said that I can give you oranges I have. Okay. So any doubt still here? Anyone?
Nobody has doubt, sir.
That's great. So the lady eats a couple of oranges and starts feeling better. Now what happened? The lady starts eating the oranges and then slowly she is able to get up and she is able to walk. She is all ready now. She is ready to walk and she is okay. So the lady says to the poor man that having the oranges have made me feel better. Means by eating these oranges, now I am feeling better. Now I am feeling well. Thank you for giving me the oranges. I will never forget your help, your kindness. So please take these three silk rolls. By saying that, she gives the silk roll to the poor young man so that he can make the clothes out of the silk roll cloth. Now the young man is talking to himself. He is thinking that first it was a straw, then I got the oranges, now I got the silk roll. So his bad luck was becoming good luck slowly. Any doubts, anyone? Please ask me if you have.
Sir, no understood. Sir, no understood.
No understood, understood, or what?
Sir, nobody has a doubt, sir.
Okay, let me ask a question to Mohammad Raza Devjani. Devjani Mohammad Raza? Okay. Mohammad Hassan Mob. Okay. So 3 days absent for this boy and 3 days absent for. Okay, done. So Mohammad Riza Nayani.
Yes, sir.
When the young man gave flower, what did he get in return?
Three oranges.
Who gave three oranges?
A young lady. A young lady.
Very good. Thank you. Mute the mic.
Okay, sir.
Charanya.
Yes, sir.
What is your full name, by the way?
My name is Mehdi Raza Chadania.
So how do we have to speak Charanya?
Ah,
Ha. Ha is Gujarati word.
yes, sir.
Do you know my full name?
Rohan Talwani.
Not Talwani. किसको मेरा पूरा नाम बताएं?
सर मुझे सर आई हैव सर 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 मेरे को सर आई
Let other.
रोहन तरवानी 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 सर आई
हाँ विरान जकिया सन.
सर आई कैन से
One by
सर
one.
आई कैन से
One by
सर
one.
आई
I'll give.
कैन से
सुनो सुनो सुनो.
सर मुझे आपका पूरा नाम पता है तरवानी तरवानी सर मुझे आपका पूरा नाम पता है सर
हाँ बेटा पर
तरवानी
ये है ना तीन तीन लोग एक साथ बोलोगे तो मैं तो सुन ही नहीं पाऊंगा. वन बाय वन करो ना प्लीज.
बोलो रोहन तरवानी सर रोहन तरवानी
नहीं मैं,
Tarwani.
दिस इज नॉट माई क्वेश्चन.
Tarwani.
मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है, सुनो तो सही. ध्यान से सुनो, पहले माइक म्यूट कर दो बेटा सब.
Okay, sir.
माई क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू नो द स्पेलिंग ऑफ तारवानी? Then type
Yes, sir.
then type in
Sir,
the
I
chat
know.
box.
I know. Sir, I know. Sir, I am no.
नहीं, मुंह से नहीं बोलना है बेटा.
Chat box में. Okay, sir.
Yes. अनस शेख,
Yes, sir.
स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग है, बताओ क्यों?
सर 1 मिनट एक बार और करने दो.
नहीं 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 नहीं, अभी नहीं, अभी नहीं, अभी नहीं.
सर मेरा सच्चा देखो आ गया मोहम्मद अब्बास वीरानी.
Yes dear, but here only T should be capital because it is proper noun, right? Yes or no?
Oh,
Okay,
I
sir.
forgot.
No
सर मैंने
problem.
सर
हाँ बेटा.
सर मैंने भेज दिया.
अच्छा. Okay, okay. Now let us continue, beta. Let me ask one or two questions, beta. Now everyone fold your hands. Come on. Yes. I was asking question to you, Mehdi Raza Charania. What was the name?
मेहदी रजा.
Yes, Mehdi Raza. I was asking the question to you. The question is, when the young man was walking with the oranges, what happened next? Explain the situation.
Sir, a young man walking side the road. He saw a lady. He saw a lady and an old man.
Explain the situation, beta. What happened then?
Then the young lady asked to old man what happened there with a lady. Then old man said he feeling vomiting. He can't feel feeling well.
Very good.
I didn't have a water. Then a young lady said, I have 3 oranges. I give you oranges. And then the lady has feeling vomiting, na, sir. He said, thank you. I can't focus with your help.
Very good.
And then finish.
Then what did she give in return?
Uh, mm,
She gave
uh,
she gave
kind
three silk rolls.
silk roll.
See here in the picture.
Yes, sir, I see.
ICICI Bank.
No,
Charanya, please read the next box. Box in the sense this one.
Ji. So he continued on his way west and met a samurai.
It is not meat. Mat.
Met met a samurai. He'll trade.
I will.
I will trade my house.
हाँ?
Horse.
ओ बापा, किसी का घर बेच दोगे आप तो.
My horse for the bundles. Bundles. Help
Bundles.
bundles. Bundles of silk. You
You
are
are.
carrying. Carrying.
Carrying.
Carrying. There was double R.
So carrying means holding something.
Carrying. No, he is
Hey,
not.
here. First, this is the dialogue. Then this is.
Oh,
Hey,
but
yaar.
That horse is dead. No, he is not. He's just resting.
Okay, beta. Now, students, what happened? As soon as he got the three silk roll bundles, again he started walking towards the west direction as per the instruction of God. Sorry, goddess. Now, when this time when he was walking, he met a samurai. Samurai means in the olden time, the warrior, one who fought the battle in Japan, was known as samurai. They were having different skills of fighting.
Excuse me.
Yes,
What is the meaning of warrior?
the one who fights in the war.
Sorry. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, the samurai really wanted these silk rolls, which was in the hand of young man. So samurai said, "You can take my horse and give me these silk roll." So young man said, "Don't make me fool. This horse is dead. Dead horse is useless." Samurai said, "No, no, this is not dead. He is just sleeping. He is just taking rest. Again he will get up." Yes, Charanya, continue.
Yes, sir. Just my luck to be standard with a tired horse.
Tired horse.
Tired horse. No worries. I will take him in.
Okay. Now, the man says that now I cannot walk towards west direction because the horse is sleeping. Only when he will get up, I can move anywhere. So he says that no worries, I will wake him up after he takes the rest. Now, before moving further, I need to ask you a few questions. Mm, First of all, students, I have given you hard words of this lesson, yes or no?
Yes.
No. Yes, sir.
Who said no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have a right return.
Sir,
Now, wait, now let me speak.
sir, मिठाई अब्बा said.
सारे स्टूडेंट्स अभी के अभी माइक बंद करो. Within 5 to 7 minutes, you all have to learn the hard words. Right now, I'm asking you, taking the oral test. Learn the hard words now. I'm giving you 5 to 7 minutes. ये 5 to 7 minutes के अंदर कोई भी माइक खोला, I will remove them. और जिसको स्पेलिंग नहीं आया उसको 20 टाइम्स यहाँ पे लिखने दूंगा अभी के अभी.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, I was have a network problem. Then you written a hard word. I didn't written a hard word, sir.
It's been 3 days. You should watch the lecture again.
Hmm.
So all of you start reading the hard words. I'm taking the oral test within few minutes, 5 to 7 minutes.
Sir,
म्यूट द माइक. अभी कोई नहीं बोलेगा. खत्म.
Sir, this is lesson name.
You have 2 to 3 minutes left. Those who are reading the hard words, read properly. If you will not be able to answer the proper word, you will have to write it 10 to 15 times.
Sir,
Mute the mic, thank you. Okay. Now I will request Hussein Asar to read each hard word with spelling one time.
What? Yes, sir. One straw. ONE1STRAW. One straw. Millionaire. MILLIONAIRE. 1 million. Millionaire. Folktale. FOLKTAL. Folktale. Mm, Penniless. 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 Canon. KANNON. Canon. Mercy. MARCY. Mercy. Eh, Grabbed. GRABBED. Grab. Mention. MANSION. Mention. Fainted. 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 Appreciating. APPRECIATING. Sir.
Yes, beta, yes. Okay. Uh, yes, Devjani Mohammed Reza.
Yes, sir.
What is the spelling of millionaire?
MILLIONAIRE.
Okay. Mohammed Reza Nayani.
yes, sir.
What is the spelling of appreciating?
APRATION.
No, no, no. You have to write it 10 times now. APPRECIATING. See, students, why am I asking you to learn the hard words? I even instructed in the girls' class hard words means the words which the spelling you may spell it incorrectly. Now, hard words are so important that even in your one word answer, objectives, long answer, short answer, everywhere you have to write the words which are related to the lesson. That's the reason why we give you the hard words. So, lesson related words you can read and you can learn it so that your marks are not deducted at least for the words. So, please practice it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
bye,
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 sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. सर चलेगा शांति
સાચી વાત.
બે સર
હારું થયું ભાઈ આવી ગયા.
કેવી રીતના સર વી ગયા ભાઈ હું છું
સર ને મુझे मारा
હું છું કે ને ભાઈ હવે
એટલે તું વયો ગયો એટલે સર વયા ગયા.
સાચું કે સર લેફ્ટ થઈ ગયા
હાચું
હા
હતું
હવે
એટલે સર
ભાઈ
વયા ગયા.
સર લેફ્ટ થઈ ગયા
રેકોર્ડિંગ ઇઝ ઓન
Nobody can speaking.
nobody can speak
English.
please English one recording off
Stop, your recording is on. Shut up. I am Rohan sir.
please recording off
Do you know I am Rohan sir?
you
Do you know I am Rohan sir?
ઓહો
I don't know
ફાકડી
Yes.
ફાકડી.
You are a Fakoli. I am Rohan sir.
You are a ફાકડી. Not the answer.
English one midi please stop the recording
હવે કામ કરને તારું એમાં મને બસ વિરાણી
હા ભાઈ હું કામ છે
ઓલું બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ કેવી રીતે કરવાનું હોય એ તો શીખવાડ યાર
રેકોર્ડિંગ બંધ થવા દે
હું કરું કર ઉભો રહે 1 મિનિટ
રેકોર્ડિંગ તો બંધ કરો તમારે બધાને આવી જાય અરે ભાઈ ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ રેકોર્ડિંગ ઓફ કર ઇંગ્લિશ વન મીડિયમ પ્લીઝ રેકોર્ડિંગ ઓફ ઇંગ્લિશ વન મીડિયમ પ્લીઝ રેકોર્ડિંગ ઓફ પ્લીઝ
એક કામ કર.
રેકોર્ડિંગ ઓફ
એ મોહમ્મદ અબ્બાસ
એ નાયણા
એ પ્રિન્સિપલ છે
નાયો.
રેકોર્ડિંગ બંધ
નાયણા તારો વિડિયો તો કર.